Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech, unboxings, and simple tips, you are in the right place. Have you accidentally deleted your photos on Instagram? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how you can recover deleted Instagram photos easily from your account using the recently deleted option. For this, open the Instagram app. Now, at the bottom right corner, tap on the profile icon. Now, at the top right corner, tap on the three horizontal lines. Click on your activity. Now, click on recently deleted. From here, select the image that you want to recover. Tap on it. Now, tap on the three dot lines. At the bottom, tap on the restore option. Click on restore. And yeah, that's it. And yeah, if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.